Guys, welcome back to day 2 of installing these LED strips under the cabinet lights. In the last video, I dropped a wire from this plug here and added a plug down below so that we could do these strips because they do take a plug in. Now, when Tate and I went to test these, because it's always the first thing I do, is test them before I install them, I'm glad that I ended up buying 2 of these because this one didn't work. So let's jump right into it and I'll show you the first step. Let's do it. Okay guys, so if you remember right, we took this drawer out last time when I installed this plug right here, and because of the how close this is to this cabinet right here, it's very, very hard to take this drawer out, and I really don't want to do it again. And so the first thing we need to do is drill a hole here, and you can see that down here there is about 3 to 4 inches before I hit the actual toe kick underneath here. And so when I drill this hole for the plug, I want to be kind of drilling it back at an angle, and I'm going to drill a big enough hole today because it is my longest bit. So this bit is really long and I won't have to take that out like that. So I'm going to drill this hole to a little bit of angle so that I can feed this in here to add this plug for this. So let's do it now. Hole done. Okay, so what we do is we take the end of our LED light strip here, and I just feed it through the base of that hole here. And I want to bring it up just like so, just like that. So now that's up and in, and all I have to do now is just remove this tape on the back of the LED strips and attach it to the bottom here like so. So I'm going to add the plug here first. So you remove the tape here, and I can't even see really what I'm doing right now, but I'm feeling it. So remove the tape off of this just like this. Pretty simple really. And all you do is stick this now to the bottom of your cabinet. Go. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't touch the door, because if you end up touching the door, your door will pull the tape off. So you want to make sure that you're well away from your doors. What's up, Phoebes? You're always wanting to get in the movies. What are you? You're always just an attention-seeking cat. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right, guys, so you know, when you see these 2 arrows when you're using these day bedders, one of the reasons I pick this particular light strip, and the reason I like these, is because you actually can cut this anywhere. You do not need to cut here where the arrows are. All that they're showing here is the different strands of light. So they've got the GRB for the different colors. And so I think I probably cut it someplace in here like this, but you do not need to cut here like so. You literally can cut these lights anywhere. So I went ahead and cut it. I finished it, and there you are. All finished, done in 5 minutes. Super easy. All right, guys. So there's the finished product with under the cabinet lights. So these actually have a variety of different colors. I can change it to green, or I can change it to blue. You know, we're going to leave it probably on white most of the time, but it's a really, really, really good set of lights. And this is the effect. It gives that really nice ambiance. And so There will be a link in the description, and so if you've got any questions, feel free to add a comment. If you've got additional questions about adding a plug, because that's probably the hardest part of this job, feel free to drop a comment on either one of the videos. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.